Curious about making money online? Well, the answer might be right at your fingertips with Pinterest affiliate marketing. This platform is not just for DIY crafts and recipe inspiration, it's also a goldmine for entrepreneurs seeking to earn online. Begin the adventure by setting up a Pinterest account. Choose niches that resonate with personal interests and have potential for high engagement. Remember, a niche with a passionate audience can result in more successful affiliate marketing. But what is Pinterest all about? It's a platform where users create boards and pin images, or pins, that link back to websites. The key to success lies in understanding the Pinterest algorithm and using search engine optimization, or SEO. The better the SEO, the higher the visibility. Now to the juicy part, affiliate marketing. This involves joining affiliate programs related to the chosen niches. Once part of the program, the magic begins with creating affiliate pins. These are pins that, when clicked, guide users to the affiliate's website. Creating pins that attract engagement is an art. They need to stand out, be visually appealing, and most importantly, encourage users to click on them. To learn how to craft such pins, study successful examples and incorporate those strategies. But creating great pins is only half the battle. The other half is driving traffic to these pins and converting clicks into sales. Strategies to increase followers, drive traffic, and ultimately make sales are vital. Along the journey, track metrics and performance to refine and improve strategies. To wrap it up, Pinterest affiliate marketing is a journey of learning and implementing. From setting up a Pinterest account, understanding its mechanics, joining affiliate programs, creating engaging pins to driving traffic, each step is a stepping stone towards the goal of making money online. Bear in mind, it's essential to disclose affiliate links to maintain transparency with the audience. Also, staying updated with Pinterest's guidelines ensures compliance and smooth sailing. The journey of Pinterest affiliate marketing is ready to be embarked upon. It's a journey filled with learning, implementing, and refining. And who knows, it might just be the key to unlock the door to making money online. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step today and start the Pinterest affiliate marketing journey. It's time to turn those pins into profits.